Are you ready to witness the future of sustainable architecture? Imagine towering skyscrapers that not only boast breathtaking design, but also generate their own clean energy from the sun. That's right, we're talking about solar-powered skyscrapers. These stunning structures are a testament to human ingenuity, showcasing the endless possibilities of renewable energy. With solar panels integrated seamlessly into their facades and rooftops, these buildings not only reduce our carbon footprint, but also provide a reliable source of energy for their inhabitants. So buckle up and get ready to be blown away by the incredible potential of solar-powered skyscrapers. As the world becomes increasingly aware of the pressing issue of climate change, architects and engineers are looking for innovative solutions to minimize the environmental impact of buildings. One such solution is the concept of solar-powered skyscrapers. These towering structures generate their own clean energy from the sun and have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about sustainable design. In this essay, we will explore the benefits and challenges of solar-powered skyscrapers and examine their potential as a practical solution for meeting the energy needs of modern cities. The concept of solar-powered skyscrapers is not new. The idea of using the sun's energy to power buildings has been around for decades. However, recent advances in technology have made it more practical and cost-effective than ever before. Today, solar panels can be integrated seamlessly into the facades and rooftops of buildings, providing a reliable source of energy without compromising on aesthetic. One of the main benefits of solar-powered skyscrapers is their ability to reduce carbon emissions. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, buildings account for 39% of all carbon emissions in the United States. By using renewable energy, solar-powered skyscrapers can help to reduce this figure significantly. In addition, they can also reduce the demand for fossil fuels, which are becoming increasingly scarce and expensive. Another benefit of solar-powered skyscrapers is their potential to save money on energy costs. Although the upfront cost of installing solar panels can be significant, the long-term benefits are significant. By generating their own energy, these buildings can reduce or eliminate their reliance on the grid, which can be expensive and subject to price fluctuations. In addition, solar panels can also act as shading devices, reducing the need for air conditioning and improving the overall comfort of the building. One area where solar-powered skyscrapers have the potential to make a significant impact is in the realm of urban planning. As more and more people move to cities, the demand for energy continues to increase. In many cities, the grid is already stretched to its limits, and there is a risk of power outages during periods of high demand. By generating their own energy, solar-powered skyscrapers can help to alleviate some of this strain on the grid, making cities more resilient and less vulnerable to power outages. In addition, solar-powered skyscrapers can also play a role in reducing the urban heat island effect. The urban heat island effect occurs when buildings and paved surfaces absorb and retain heat, leading to higher temperatures in urban areas compared to surrounding rural areas. This effect can have negative impacts on the health and comfort of city residents, as well as on the environment. By using solar panels as shading devices, solar-powered skyscrapers can help to reduce the amount of heat absorbed by buildings, thereby reducing the urban heat island effect. Another benefit of solar-powered skyscrapers is their potential to act as educational tools. By making the technology visible and accessible, they can help to raise awareness about the benefits of renewable energy and inspire future generations of engineers, architects, and designers to think creatively about how to reduce the environmental impact of buildings. Despite their many benefits, solar-powered skyscrapers are not a panacea for all of the environmental challenges facing modern cities. There are still many other factors to consider, such as the materials used in construction, the energy efficiency of the building envelope, and the transportation system used to transport people and goods. However, solar-powered skyscrapers represent an important step forward in the quest for more sustainable cities. Despite the many advantages of solar-powered skyscrapers, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed before they can become a widespread reality. One of the biggest challenges is the cost. Solar technology can still be expensive, particularly when it comes to large-scale installations like those required for skyscrapers. In addition, the cost of storing excess energy can be a barrier, as batteries capable of storing large amounts of energy can be prohibitively expensive. However, the cost of solar technology has been decreasing rapidly in recent years. As more buildings incorporate solar technology, economies of scale are likely to bring the cost down even further. Another challenge is the limited availability of rooftop space. In many cities, the demand for rooftop space is high, and it can be difficult to find enough space to install the necessary solar panels. This can be particularly challenging in dense urban areas where tall buildings are already competing for space. Some architects and engineers have addressed this challenge by incorporating solar panels in the facades of buildings, allowing for solar energy production without taking up additional rooftop space. A third challenge is the intermittency of solar power. Unlike traditional power plants, solar power is dependent on the availability of sunlight. This means that solar-powered buildings may not be able to generate energy at all times of the day or during periods of cloudy weather. However, advances in battery technology and energy storage systems are helping to address this challenge, allowing solar-powered buildings to store excess energy and use it when sunlight is not available. Finally, there is a challenge related to the regulatory environment. In some areas, building codes and regulations may not be designed to accommodate solar technology, making it difficult to install and maintain solar-powered buildings. This can be particularly challenging in older cities where the infrastructure may not be up to date. However, governments and policymakers are increasingly recognizing the importance of renewable energy and are working to create policies and regulations that support the adoption of solar technology. In conclusion, while solar-powered skyscrapers offer many advantages in terms of sustainability and energy efficiency, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed. These challenges include the cost of solar technology, the limited availability of rooftop space, the intermittency of solar power, and the regulatory environment. However, as technology continues to advance and policymakers become more supportive of renewable energy, it is likely that these challenges will be overcome, paving the way towards a more sustainable and resilient future. Despite these challenges, solar-powered skyscrapers have enormous potential as a practical solution for meeting the energy needs of modern cities. In addition to reducing carbon emissions and saving money on energy costs, they can also act as a symbol of sustainability and innovation. As more and more people become aware of the benefits of renewable energy, the demand for solar-powered skyscrapers is likely to increase, leading to more widespread adoption of this technology. In conclusion, solar-powered skyscrapers represent a significant step forward in sustainable design. By using renewable energy, they help to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and curb greenhouse gas emissions. In addition, they can significantly reduce energy costs for building owners and tenants. Although there are some challenges associated with this technology, advances in materials and battery technology are helping to overcome these challenges. As the demand for clean energy continues to grow, we can expect to see more and more solar-powered skyscrapers rising up in our cities, paving the way towards a brighter, more sustainable future. In conclusion, solar-powered skyscrapers are an exciting and innovative solution to the environmental challenges facing modern cities. By harnessing the power of the sun, they can reduce carbon emissions, save money on energy costs, and act as symbols of sustainability and innovation. Although there are still challenges to be overcome, advances in technology are helping to make this technology more practical and cost-effective than ever before. As more and more people become aware of the benefits of renewable energy, we can expect to see solar-powered skyscrapers become increasingly common in our cities, paving the way towards a brighter, more sustainable future.